Hey guys, today I will show you how you can install your preset using DNG files. So first you'll need to download a DNG file from my YouTube videos. Click on the link, open Safari, enter the password, access the files, download the DNG file, so now you want to copy the file, then let's go into the Files app, paste the file, there it is. Then let's go into Lightroom Mobile, create an album. In this album you want to import the DNG file, so click on the plus from Files and click on your preset. Now that you have your DNG file imported into Lightroom Mobile, you want to create your preset from this DNG file. So click on it, then click on the three dots, create preset, name the preset, and voila. If this video helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.